So here's the LVTOPSUN panels testing with the Bluetti AC200. There's those little 50 watt, two 50 watt panels in parallel. LVTOPSUN LTS50s. Charging at 107 watts into the Bluetti AC200 Max. So it shows you they're very efficient panels, these LVTOPSUN, because I'm getting more than the specification sheet says. I'm getting over 100 watts, even with the losses of the long cable I have to use to the AC200 because I've got to keep it in the shade. The screen is kind of hard to read in the full sun, but I like the app because the app with the AC200 gives you very clear input and output data using Bluetooth. You don't have to worry about it using Wi-Fi, it's actually using Bluetooth. And it gives you a very clear picture. 103 watts now. So the sun came out from behind the clouds, and I'm getting at noon more than the specified spec sheet says for the LVTOPSUN LTS50 panels.